Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to introduce you to Dollar Tree items to make a gingerbread house. And I'm going to use stickers, autocollants. I found these at the Dollar Tree, which would be perfect for a gingerbread house. Now I did buy over the summer this cooler right here. It's a foam cooler, and this is the top, the lid, and this is what I'm going to be using as the gingerbread house. Now inside, I had made a setting in there a while back, but I got tired of it, so I'm not going to use the inside. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over like this, and then the lid, I will place it right on top. So this is the way it's going to look. See how it already looks like a house? So I am going to create windows. I have these little magnetic strips that can go here, maybe with tape, double-sided tape or glue, but these are going to be windows. I have red, blue, and I have some green around and yellow right there. So I have this candy, and I also have little hooks that I took from hangers. I just snapped them off, and I could fill these in red. With a red marker, I can make stripes and make them candy canes. I've already done it with some of them in black. See? So I'm going to use all these supplies to create a beautiful gingerbread house. And I also have Play-Doh here. Red is perfect. I have yellow and green. And then I have some other little extras that I'll be using, all to make this little gingerbread house before the year is over. So I will be back. Thank you for watching.